Hello guys, and welcome to this review of our best free online form builders, and we'll be presenting our top 5 picks. We'll be talking about their features, pros and cons, and at the end you have a solid reason to make your choice on any of these services. We have the links to these services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. In no particular order, we'll be starting with Typeform. Typeform redefines the online form with its beautiful one question at a time interface. It's designed to be more conversational and human, leading to higher completion rates. Now, Typeform's free plan includes 10 responses per month, unlimited forms, and unlimited questions. When it comes to the pros and cons, on the bright side, you have a stunning user-friendly interface that feels like a conversation. It has a highly engaging design which boosts completion rates, and it has a powerful logic and branching capabilities even on the free plan. On the downside, with the cons, it has a very low response limit on the free plan, which can be a major constraint, and the paid plans are significantly more expensive than many competitors. Our second pick is Jotform. Jotform is a versatile powerhouse that has been in the game for a long time. It's known for its robust features and extensive customization options, thus giving you full control over your form's design and functionality. Jotform's free starter plan gives you 5 forms, 100 monthly subscriptions, and 100 megabytes of storage. When it comes to the pros and cons, on the bright side, it has a generous free plan that's a great starting point. It also has an extensive library of templates and widgets for almost any use case, and it's excellent for building complex, multi-page forms. On the cons, the form builder can feel a little cluttered and less modern than others. The free plan does include Jotform branding on your forms. Our number 3 pick is Tally. Tally markets itself as a form builder with a Notion style editor, and it truly lives up to that. It's an incredibly simple and powerful tool that gives you a blank canvas to build your forms, with almost all features available for free. Tally's free plan includes unlimited forms, unlimited subscriptions, and unlimited team members. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, on the bright side, it has the most generous free plan available, offering unlimited forms and submissions. Its interface is also intuitive and minimalistic, and this makes building forms incredibly fast. It is highly flexible and feels like you're simply writing a document. On the downside, with the cons, it has limited customization options compared to platforms like Jotform, and the lack of templates on the free plan can make it feel like you're starting from scratch every time. Our fourth pick is Google Forms. Google Forms is the go-to choice for simplicity, collaboration, and seamless integration with the Google Workspace ecosystem. It's a completely free and straightforward tool that gets the job done without any frills. Google Forms offers unlimited forms and responses, it has seamless integrations with Google Sheets for easy data analysis, and it provides basic customization options with themes and colors. And now to the pros and cons. On the bright side, it's absolutely free with unlimited forms and responses. It's incredibly easy to use for anyone with a Google account, and it has effortless data collection and organization with Google Sheets. On the downside, it has limited design and branding options compared to dedicated form builders, and it lacks advanced features like conditional logic and payment integrations. Our fifth pick is Microsoft Forms. As part of the Microsoft 365 suite, Microsoft Forms is a reliable and straightforward form builder. It's a fantastic option for businesses and schools that are already integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem. Microsoft Forms offers unlimited forms and responses, integrates seamlessly with other 365 apps like Excel and SharePoint, and it includes built-in analytics and reports to easily visualize your data. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, on the bright side, it is completely free with no limits on forms or responses. It is perfect for anyone already using Microsoft products for work or school. And it has a clean user interface with straightforward analytics. On the downside, with the cons, the design is very basic and lacks the visual appeal of other platforms. It also has fewer advanced features and third-party integrations compared to other competitors. So there you have it, our best free online form builders and our top 5 picks. Now, while all these services offer great plans, some have specific limitations, such as a cap on monthly responses or branding on your forms. If you find that you need more features like a high response limit, the ability to remove branding, or advanced integrations, you might want to look at their paid subscription options to meet your needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below so you can make your choice according to your need. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.